Everyone, where is the massive pump? Where is the massive dump? It's been 2 hours since the announcement, and it is now official, and you and I can finally share the news. It's now been approved. Yes, guys. We had like 3 or 4 of this, 3 or 4 restroom breaks, thousands of people coming in. We had a lot of fun. And there's some new updates. I had to step out because I was destroyed, but now we have new updates from the official statement from Gary Gensler. Billions of dollars ready to be coming in tomorrow. What the people and CEOs are saying about this subject. Chris Marshall, the Crypto.com CEO. Well, finally, guys. I mean, I think since the beginning of today, you and I already expected this result. Yesterday will remain in infamy. One of the reasons that Gary Gensler and the SEC did not publish, because I'm going to go right now, but I'm pretty positive because this is what they did, right? This is a statement. They issue a statement, but the reason why they did not publish something on their Twitter accounts, it's because of the investigation by the FBI. And yes, I was right. This is what I told you. So I was right, and obviously they're not gonna use it until the investigation is completed. But we don't need their tweets as long as we have these statements. And this was the first one we saw at 2:47 p.m. Bitcoin Magazine was the first one, and I'm like, wait, what? Yep. Then Watch a Guru and everybody, little by little, started coming in. We'll go ahead and take a look at the price of Bitcoin. Of course, a lot of different volatility going to happen. Breaking, the SEC officially approves all spot ETFs. The page broke down. The page collapsed and crashed. You saw it, guys. It was crazy. It is thereof ordered that all of the Bitcoin ETFs, the NASDAQ, and this and that are hereby approved on the accelerated basis by the commission. So it's really exciting, everybody. And here is the official statement by Gary Gensler. Today, the commission approved the listings and trading of the number of spot Bitcoin ETFs shares. I have often said that the commission acts within the law, and we interpret the law beginning under the chair of J 2018, yada yada. Now we're faced with these new filings, and some of them disapproved, but at the end of the day, they approved it. The commission evaluated the rule filed by the National Security Exchange based on whether it's consistent with the Exchange Act, yada yada. Importantly, today the commission action is cabin to ETP's holding of non-security commodity Bitcoin. It should in no way signal that the commission is willing to approve listing standards for crypto asset securities, meaning only Bitcoin, right? Nor does the approval signal anything regarding other crypto assets. One of the things they said is that they're not endorsing Bitcoin, right? Which is, in a way, crazy, but it is Gary Gensler and the SEC. And at the end of the day, guys, while we approved the listing and trading of certain spot Bitcoin ETFs today, we did not approve or endorse Bitcoin. Investors should remain cautious about the myriad risk associated with Bitcoin and products whose value is tied to crypto. And people are saying, we don't need your permission, Gary, so stop molesting us. Then we have, obviously, another one. Bloomberg predicts 40 billion in spot Bitcoin ETF inflows on the first day of trading tomorrow, with the possibility of a 2 billion directly from BlackRock. I know a lot of us wanted to see the big godlike candle because that's what I'm expecting. Maybe tomorrow is when things are going to start moving a little bit more because it's going to be finally open. You see what I'm saying? So FYI, right? Because now when we see the price right now, it doesn't seem like it did much. Just 5% up, 5% down. Really not much going on from $44,000 to $46,000. It's good. Right now, the winner, it's going to be Ethereum. Ethereum knocked it out of the park. Absolutely doing phenomenal, outperforming Bitcoin. And a lot of people were like, really, Ethereum? So where is my Bitcoin, right? Well, there it is. Ethereum really did an amazing performance in this Bitcoin ETF approval day. So good job, Ethereum. I think everybody really had an amazing story. $1.73 trillion, everybody. This is what the global market looks like right now. And it's amazing. Honestly, so much fun we had. So many people coming in. The masses are about to witness this next chapter in the Bitcoin, book. I think for crypto investors and altcoins and Bitcoin and a bunch of different organizations, this is going to help. There's a lot more that we're about to see. Now, JP Morgan CEO, Bitcoin has no value or use case. The only thing it's good for is sex trafficking, tax avoidance, money laundering, and terrorism finance. Are you kidding me, JP Morgan? No, they're not kidding us, everybody. This is pretty crazy. But at the end of the day, who cares about them, right? Now, this also announces that it will be listed on this CBOE tomorrow, and obviously following today's approval, I think everybody can claim that. Crypto.com ETF approved. It's been a long time, and we are early. So Crypto.com and other different exchanges. Bannock, we won't, never gave up. Bannock access opportunities. A lot of people, guys. Just take a look at this, right? Bitwise as well, saying congrats. Really, the working class. We were seeing this today that you already can find some of the spot Bitcoin ETFs on Fidelity. So good job on that. Tomorrow, there's going to be a lot of money coming in, guys, and we cannot waste our time. Senator Cynthia Lumen says, I'm thrilled that the SEC granted approval for all 11 Bitcoin spot ETFs. And that's the statement. So people are talking about it. And of course, what Gary Gensler said. And I think at the end of the day, the one and only Chris, Crypto.com CEO for Cronos fam, the long-awaited Bitcoin ETF approval in the US is the latest evidence that crypto is here to stay and build for all. Also, importantly, that the US market is a long-term crypto market. Well, go ahead and approve the Crypto.com USA exchange, please, Chris. I want it now. Tomorrow, Bitcoin goes public. And if I click on that page, it's finally here. Here it is. There it is. Official statement is now live, and that's what we talked about. That was going to this document technically explaining that the Bitcoin ETFs were approved. But now this link is going to the page of Gary Gensler because, like I said, he wasn't going to tweet about it since now his Twitter and the SECs are under investigation. Guys, it's exciting. Obviously, I tweeted a little bit too while we were live. And just do a little bit of a sell-off that we had very, very fast. And the other one about an hour ago when things were already approving and really doing phenomenal, guys. So what do you guys think? Obviously, Bitcoin is trending and it's going to keep trending. And we're just going to see the very beginning right now for the upcoming hours. I'm pretty, expecting a lot more volatility. I ask you guys what you guys expect and predict. But I'm looking at $50,000, $40,000. That's the range for right now. I think tomorrow is when the real party is going to start. We want some good volatility to make the good money. It's now official. Thanks for watching. We made it, guys. Like and subscribe. Peace.